friends, today making Dondakaya fry.
Please subscribe to our channel to watch new videos. This is ivy gourd. Wash the ivy gourd in water. Then cut the ivy gourd into small pieces. Pour oil. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add chopped onions. Add green chili. Add curry leaves. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric. Mix well. Add ivy gourd to the mixture. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Mix well. Cook it for 10 minutes. Add garam masala. Add fried peanuts and curry leaves to it. Mix well. Now making ivy gourd fry recipe is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.